We want to solve sin 2x is minus 0.85 for values of x between 0 and 360. If we're looking for values of x between 0 and 360, then for 2x we're going to look for values between 0 and 720. Since this is a 2x, we need solutions in the first instance for 2x. We're going to use the cast diagram in the usual way to help us do this. The equation that we're solving is sin 2x is equal to minus 0.85. So our principal value for 2x will be shift sign or inverse sign of minus 0.85. And this gives us minus 58.2 degrees. Minus 58.2 degrees will be here, and since we're dealing with a sine and it's negative, the other one must be in the t quadrant. Remember, sine is positive in the a and s quadrants. 58.2 degrees below the horizontal line. We're looking for solutions between 0 and 360, which means for 2x between 0 and 720. So starting at 0, we need to go twice around. The first solution we meet is just, so we get 2x is 180 plus 58.2, which is 238.2 degrees. The next solution is here, 58.2 before we get to 360. So 360 take away 58.2, 301.8 degrees. We go on through 360 and continue through 180 and to our next solution. In practice, this is 360 degrees on from this solution. So we can do 238.2 add 360, which is 598.2 degrees. In a similar way, this final solution that we meet is 360 on from